Hi guys, I'm Natalynne and I make videos about clothing and elegant living, and today I am going to show you what I keep in my summer handbag. So this handbag is small, but I think it carries a lot. I think it carries just enough for me throughout the day. So firstly, I have my wallet. This is just a Cezanne wallet that I got like earlier this year. It just holds my cards and everything. I don't normally carry cash with me, but I had this because I was on vacation and I wanted to have it in case I needed to give for gratuity. My hair gets so crazy throughout the day and I have to find a way to maintain it. So I got this really cute travel hairbrush. It just opens and closes like this and it fits everywhere. I bring it with me and throughout the day I will just brush my hair out. And then for really bad days, I have a hair clip here and I'll put my hair up. I never put my hair up like to where is an updo, but I do put it up for utility reasons. I have hand sanitizer and hand lotion because you want to keep your hands clean, but you don't want them to get crusty. So this is my favorite hand cream. It's not too sticky and I use it throughout the day, everywhere. My medicine. I get really bad headaches throughout the day, so I have headache medicine, and then I have really bad eczema, so I have eczema cream as well with me. In terms of cosmetics, I keep this compact mirror with me all the time because you never know, always gotta check on yourself. And I just think using a compact mirror just looks so much more elegant than using like the front-facing camera of your phone. Just something very like old Hollywood about, you know, just looking at yourself in the mirror just like this. I like the novelty. I have for makeup, I have my lip liner. I think that throughout the day, your lips are the first to go in terms of makeup from eating and everything. So I have my lip liner, and then I have a little jar that I put Aquaphor in. I keep these with me at all times. And then I have a liquid eyeliner. You gotta make sure those cat eyes are sharp. You know, you can't have unsharp eyeliner. I have a pen in case I need to like sign receipts. I don't have a journal or a paper in here, but in case I need to sign receipts, I have my own pen. And then I have this Yu-Gi-Oh card that I got when my boyfriend and I were opening up packs. This one's not worth anything, I guess, but like I thought it was so cute. It's a bunny that's picking flowers, and I thought, yeah, I'm gonna keep it for good luck. And so I have that, and that's everything. That's everything in this bag. It's a lot of things. So yeah, that is my what's in my bag video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.